Hi friends, it's Miss Abby back, and today we are going to talk about something new, and today is recognizing our numbers. Now, a lot of us have worked on this, especially when you come to a small group with me, but I am going to go over the numbers that we try to focus on, and then I'm going to give your parents or whoever is watching this with you, I'm going to give them an idea of an activity that you can do to practice, okay? So here is just a cute little number book or number activity that I found with bears on it. And some of you may have gotten this in the mail and some of you may not have. And if any of you want this and you didn't get it, just let me know and I will try to send it to you, okay? So here are our numbers. This is 0 through 5. So we have 0, which means nothing, right? If we have 0, that means we don't have any. That's sad. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that's our first 5 numbers. And then the last numbers that we really try to focus on are 6 through 10. But this page has 11, so we're going to go ahead and do 11. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? So this is just an example of some cute numbers, and parents, this is kind of how we work on it. So I'm going to tell you how we do it in small group, and if it's something that you want to try to do with them at home, that would be great. So obviously, sometimes we just do basic recognition where we just hold up like a flashcard or something and just have the child tell us what the number is. So that's a super easy way to do it. You can always get number flashcards at like Dollar Tree, Dollar General, just any place like that. If you want to go get them, they're normally like $1 or $2. If you don't want to go get them, just make your own. They're so easy to make. Just take a piece of paper, cut it into 4ths or 6ths, whatever you want to do. Write a number on each one. So the first thing you can do, like I said, is just show them the card and have them tell you the number. Because when we're working on recognition, that's all we're working on. We just want them to be able to tell us what that number is. And then the next thing you can do, which could take it a little step farther, if they seem like they're getting the number recognition part, you can make something kind of like this. And if you were one of the people that got this packet, then you have it at home. But if not, you can make something like this, which is still super easy to do on your own. But what it is it's just kind of an activity to put the numbers in order. And what I like to do, this one's a little harder because the whole page is blank. So it's wanting them to actually put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Glue or cut and glue onto this paper. Sometimes I feel like that's a little hard. So what I would prefer is just take your flashcards and kind of just put them in a big long roll just put them in a row on your table, but skip some numbers. So you might put 1, 2, blank, 5, 6, blank, and then give them the extra cards that you skipped over. And you let them take those cards and try to decide what spaces that those were supposed to fill into, if that makes sense. So that just makes them have to look at recognition a little bit different. It's a little harder to think about in that way because they're also having to do the ordering aspect with it. But it's such a good exercise for them to do. So, like I said, I just wanted to give you a little example of number recognition and how easy it can be. So if any of your kids are getting this video, it's because one of their goals is recognition. And I just wanted to let y'all know that it's something super simple. It's strictly just naming the numbers. So anyway, y'all can do that at home. is just fine. Even if you don't even want to make flashcards, if you just want to start being a little more apparent or a little more focused on noticing numbers around you, like on your the clock that's on your oven, or the numbers on a microwave, or let's see, what else has numbers on it? The remote control has numbers on it, or the channels that you go through on the TV. That's a very easy way to also just have them relate those numbers to their own environment, and another way that you can practice recognition without maybe making it seem like it's hard work. So I just wanted to give you a few ideas. This was just, like I said, something that I had in my stash, so I just wanted to kind of show you how simple that goal really is for us to work on. It's just one of those repetition skills, so no matter what, it's not probably something they're going to be able to get the first day you do it. Just like your ABCs or counting by rote, it is something that they need to see over and over and over and relate a name of the number to the number. So just make sure you're constantly trying to point those things out. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.